Dear students, CBSE students, this sum you have 8th bit in 5th set in exercise 8.4. 8th bit in 5th set in exercise 8.4 for CBSE students, right? This sum is important, my dear students. Take what is LHS. What is LHS here? Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. Right. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. Let us take this sin A plus cosecant A whole square. Let us expand using A plus B whole square, where A is sin A and B is cosecant A, right? Like this, sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 into sin A into cosecant A. Similarly, this cos A plus secant A also, it is in the form of A plus B whole square. That means cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 into cos A into secant A. This is plus here, no? Right. Did you understand, students? What I did here, just I have expanded using A plus B whole square. What is A plus B whole square? A square plus B square plus 2AB. So, my dear students, this first term and second term, just I have written how? Up and down side, upside and downside, like this. Okay. Now, just adding. By adding here, sin square A plus cos square A, the first two terms, the first row and second row. Here, cosecant square A plus secant square A plus, look here, we know an identity not reciprocal. Sin A means 1 by cosecant A, and here cos A means it is equal to 1 by secant A. If you write these two identities, my dear students, sin A means 1 by cosecant A, cos A means 1 by secant A, then you can cancel these two. But you must write this, sin A means 1 by cosecant A, cos A means 1 by secant A. Now here plus 2 is plus 4. We are adding no here. Right. So now my dear students, sin square A plus cos square A means what? That is 1. Okay, again I am using here this cosecant square A means 1 plus cot square A. It is equal to cosecant square A. Again, this secant square A means 1 plus tan square A. Am I right? Right. So this 1 plus tan square A, it is equal to secant square A. So my dear students, here sin square A plus cos square A, instead of this, just I am writing 1, and this cosecant square A means here, look, 1 plus cot square A, 1 plus cot square A, and the secant square A means 1 plus tan square A plus 4 is there. Why? Here sin A, cosecant A, cos A, secant A both get cancelled. Plus 2 means plus 4, right? So it is equal to, my dear students, now have a look here please. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7. So 7 plus cot square A plus, what is here? Tan square A. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So it is equal to RHS, no, my dear students. This is right hand side. That means the sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square, it is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Hence it is proved. Let me explain, my dear students, again. Take LHS here. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. Here my dear student, just I am expanding using A plus B whole square. This is A and this is B. Here also we use the same formula. That means sin square A plus cosecant square A plus 2 sin A cosecant A. 2AB. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here also same. A means cos A, B means secant A. That means cos square A plus secant square A plus 2 cos A secant A. Now my dear students, here sin A cosecant A, cos A secant A both get cancelled. But don't forget to write the reason here. Sin A means 1 by cosecant A, cos A means 1 by secant A. So from this reason we can cancel cos and secant, sin and cosecant, right? Now here sin square A plus cos square A, just this first terms in the first and second rows. Here second terms cosecant square A plus secant square A. Plus 2 is plus 4. Okay my dear students. Now sin square A plus cos square A means 1. Cosecant square A means 1 plus cot square A. Secant square A means 1 plus tan square A. So that means 1 plus cot square A plus 1 plus tan square A plus 4. What is 1 plus 1? 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. That is equal to RHS. So hence it is proved. Coming to this sum, 9th question in exercise 8.4 for CBSE students, cosecant A minus sin A times, the LHS is cosecant A minus sin A times secant A minus cos A. Here just takes cosecant A means 1 by sin A. Similarly, secant A means 1 by cos A. Just substitute these values here. Cosecant means 1 by sin A minus sin A, and secant means 1 by cos A minus cos A. Okay. So this is 1 minus sin square A. Sin A into sin A is 1 minus sin square A by sin A, bracket closed. Here also 1 minus cos A into cos A, cos square A by cos A. So 1 minus sin square A is cos square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square A is sin square A by cos A. Okay. See my dear students, here this sin A in sin square A cancel, cos A and cos square A cancel. This is finally here one more cos A is there and one more sin A is there. That is sin A times cos A. This is LHS. Now let us take RHS also. What is RHS here? RHS, that is 1 by tan A plus cot A. That is 1 by sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A. Right. So tan A means sin A by cos A and cot A means cos A by sin A. Right. This is 1 by, here sin A cos A is LCM. Sin A cos A is LCM. That means here sin A cos A, when you divide the sin A cos A with cos A, then sin A into sin A, sin square A. Here also same, when this sin A cos A is divided with sin A, then cos A will be the quotient. That means cos A into cos A, cos square A. So this is 1 by sin A cos A. Why here this it is also equal to 1? The reason is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Okay. So 1 by sin A cos A means it is equal to sin A cos A. Sin A cos A. Okay. If you observe here, the LHS is the result of LHS is sin A cos A and the result of RHS is also sin A cos A. So hence it is proved. So hence it is proved. Why? That LHS it is equal to RHS. That LHS and RHS are equal, right? Coming to the 10th question, exercise 8.4, and this is the last question in exercise 8.4 as well as trigonometry. Right. Here, prove that 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a is equal to 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a whole square. It is equal to tan square a. Okay. So take this first one here first. 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a. Right. What is 1 plus tan square a? 1 plus tan square a is equal to secant square a. Similarly, 1 plus cot square a, it is also equal to cosecant square a, right? So, my dear students, instead of this, we can write secant square a by cosecant square a. Secant square a means what? 1 by cos square a by cosecant square a means 1 by sin square a. So, this is equal to 1 by cos square a times sin square a by 1. So, this is equal to tan square a. So, that means this is equal to tan square a. Similarly, we take the middle one and we prove it is equal to tan square a. Right. Take the middle one now here. So, what is the middle one? 1 minus tan a whole square. 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a whole square. Right. 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a whole square. So, let us take again this tan a means, tan a means sin a by cos a, and cot a means cos a by sin a. So, my dear students, here this is equal to 1 minus sin a by cos a by 1 minus cos a by sin a whole square. So, this is equal to 1 minus sin a by cos a whole by 1 minus cos a by sin a whole square. Right. So, this is equal to 1 minus sin a by cos a into sin a by this would be the reciprocal, that means sin a by 1 minus cos a whole square. Right. Now you can cancel this 1 minus sin a and 1 minus here 1 minus sin a by cos a, 1 minus cos a by sin a. So 1 minus cos a minus sin a, here I made a mistake, sorry. This is cos a minus sin a by cos a, and this is sin a minus cos a by sin a, right. So this is cos a minus sin a by cos a into sin a by sin a minus cos a, right. Now here, my dear students, if you observe here, this is cos a minus sin a, this is sin a minus cos a. We cannot cancel them unless and until if you take minus as common. That means if you take minus as common here, that is cos a minus sin a by cos a. If you take minus as common, then it will become sin a minus cos a. Sin a minus cos a into what? Sin a by sin a minus cos a. That is whole square. Okay. Now here these two are cancelled. Finally, what is here? Sin a by cos a. Here minus is also there. That is minus of sin a by cos a whole square. So what is sin a by cos a? Tan a. So this is minus of tan a whole square. So this is equal to tan square a. So my dear students, I have taken the first one, it is equal to tan square a, and the middle one, that result is also tan square a. So hence it is proved. So my dear students, I hope you understand all these questions in exercise 8.4. See, as I told you, the first exercise is based on the trigonometric ratios, and the second exercise is trigonometric table, that means trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, and the third one is complementary angles, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, and the fourth and last one is what? Trigonometric identities. I hope you understand all these exercises, my dear students, and the concepts. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to write in the comment box also. See, my dear students, this is the end of the trigonometry, and the next chapter we are going to start is applications of trigonometry, that is heights and distances. Don't miss that coming videos also, my dear students. Thank you very much.